Have you been stuck at home for a long time now and you want to make extra money? Or do you just simply want to hustle? Here at Money Mastery, we believe that having multiple sources of income and learning many ways of earning money, even at the comfort of your own home, can change your financial situation. So in today's video, we'll talk about the 15 money-making ideas that you can try at your own home. Number 1. Sell your hair. Yup. Now, you can even sell your hair. If you often get complaints about your hair, you might actually have a source of income growing right on your head. Because the best wigs and hair extensions are made from human hair. It means that healthy and beautiful hair is always in high demand. And the good news is, it's pretty easy to sell your hair online. There are now websites that provide an easy way to make money from selling your hair at the comfort of your own home. Number 2. Work for companies that hire remote employees. If you are the kind of person who actually enjoys having a boss and working for someone else, this is for you. There are companies out there that offer flexible work arrangements that allow employees to work from their own home or outside of corporate offices. With this, you can still work, but from the comfort of your own place. Commonly available positions for these kinds of companies are IT professionals, HR coordinators, customer service representatives, financial analysts, digital communication specialists, marketing professionals, and clinical administrative coordinators. Number 3. Sell your unwanted stuff at home. Maybe it's time to declutter your home and earn from it. Most people have no idea how much clutter they have in their own homes. So, before you monetize your work skills from what we mentioned earlier, why not try to clean your space first and look for things that you no longer need? Decluttering your home and then selling stuff that no longer gives value to your life is actually a great way to make some money. Number 4. Lease your storage space. Once you're done decluttering and you found some extra space at home, you can turn it into rental storage space. It could be an underutilized garage, shed, basement, or even an attic. How? Sign up and list your space at neighbor.com. It's a peer-to-peer platform that connects people who need extra space with those who have it in their homes and are not using it. This could be an opportunity for you to earn passive income for basically doing nothing at all, just renting out your extra storage space. Number 5. Rent out your car. If you are now determined to make money from your own home, then you probably won't need to drive more often. So instead of just letting your car sit in your garage, rent it out and make money from it. There are now car-sharing platforms where you can earn good extra bucks from renting out your car. 2 of the most trusted platforms are GetAround and TUTOR. They offer car owners $1 million of insurance and 24/7 roadside assistance so you can be assured that your car is fully protected. According to their websites, car owners in cities can earn up to $10,000 a month. That's a pretty impressive income stream. Number 6. P2P lending. Do you have some extra cash just sleeping in your bank account? Make them work for you. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers directly to lenders or investors. As an investor, if you have extra money that you decided to invest in these P2P platforms, you can earn an average of 4% to 10% a year. Of course, this still entails some sort of risk, so don't lend any funds you can't afford to lose, and always do your research. Number 7. Freelancing. Everyone has some skills which they're good at. It could be writing, organizing, programming, designing, or even something as simple as transcribing. Freelancing websites allow you to earn from these skills in the comfort of your own home. Depending on what the clients are looking for, tasks on these websites may vary from writing articles, designing a logo, providing virtual assistance to entrepreneurs, creating websites, or transcribing audio to text. The possibilities of tasks and job opportunities that you can find are endless. Number 8. Question marketplaces. What's your number one go-to place whenever you have questions? Is it an encyclopedia, the library, or the internet? Most probably it's the latter. That's why the internet is full of questions. But did you know that you could earn from answering questions on the internet? Yes, through online question marketplaces, you can. But of course, only if you are truly knowledgeable about the given topic. A website called Just Answer is one of the most reputable and profitable online question marketplaces right now. Among the popular topics here are health, home renovation, cars, law, accounting, business, technology, pets, or even students' homework. For certain topics such as law or accounting, you need proof of your credentials to prove that you are actually a credible person to answer the given questions. According to their website, you could actually earn $2,000 up to $7,000 per month, depending on your subject of expertise. Number 9. Website user testing. Here's another good way of making money online and from the comfort of your own home. Providing your valuable opinion to businesses who want to test their performance of their websites. There are companies that pay people just to test out their websites. They want to ensure that the interface, layout, wording, and functionality of their websites are working well. It's not a huge paycheck, as the most common salary for this is $10 per session of testing websites, which last at around 15 to 20 minutes. But considering the short amount of time you'll spend testing these websites, the payout is not that bad. Number 10. Online surveys. Aside from website owners, your opinions and experiences are also valuable to countless companies who want to learn more about their target audiences, motivations, and preferences. Hence, there are websites out there who pay people from simply taking surveys for companies and brands. So, if you're willing to put in the time, then you can definitely make money at home by taking online surveys. Number 11. Online tutor. Are you academically good and knowledgeable in various school subjects like math, science, or English? Sell your expertise then. Being an online tutor is a more personal way to earn money at your home, since you'll be sharing your subject matter of expertise in one-on-one classes. Although you can have as many students as your schedule allows, you must focus on one student at a given time. According to Chegg's website, one of the most popular online tutor sites, their tutors can earn from $20 per hour to $1,000 per month. Number 12. Online juror. From being an online tutor, you can also try being an online juror. How? As an online juror, you'll attend a virtual mock trial of lawyers for real cases so that the attorney who hired you can practice their arguments and judge the value of their cases. Most lawyers hire online jurors as they like to get opinions from mock juries because it gives them a better understanding of how a potential jury would feel about their client, the case, and the information being presented during a trial. For each session or verdict, you can earn $5 up to $10. Among the most popular online platforms for finding paid online juror gigs are onlineverdict.com and eJury. Number 13. Start a blog. Do you have a knack for writing? Then sell your words, thoughts, and insights. Blogs are now one of the best ways to earn money, even when you are at your own home or literally anywhere. When you hear the word blog, it may sound super easy, but of course, just like any other source of income, you still have to put in the work so you could reap the benefits in the long run. You have to be consistent in producing quality, valuable, and in-demand content, and once it gets going, you can then generate income from your blog. So if writing is your passion anyway, start doing your research on how to set up your first blog and plant the seeds now to enjoy the harvest later. Number 14. Start a podcast. If not writing, but speaking, telling stories, or having good conversations with others is your forte, then this is for you. They say that audio is the future, so starting a podcast right now could be a great way for you to earn money in the next few years. According to ZipRecruiter reports, with a good number of listeners, a podcast can earn up to $87,274 a year. Although it may take time for you to grow an audience, there are several ways to make money from your podcast, which include selling advertising time, affiliate marketing, offering subscriptions, crowdfunding, selling merchandise, or doing speaking gigs. If you want to start now, you can sign up on platforms like Podbean or BuzzSpot to distribute your podcast. Number 15. Create a YouTube channel. Lastly, create a YouTube channel. The fact that you are here and watching this video means that this is in demand. As you may probably know already, YouTube is one of the best ways right now to make money on the internet and from your own home. Create a channel, consistently upload videos, and try to get as many views as possible. If you are just starting from scratch, or let's say that you're just a simple person and not a celebrity or some sort of online influencer, then it may take time before you actually start earning from YouTube. But your best bet here is to choose a specific niche and build a steady community and subscriber base. With this, as your channel grows, your earning potential also grows. See you here at YouTube. Again, here are the 15 money-making ideas to try at your own home. Number 1. Sell your hair. Number 2. Work for companies that hire remote employees. Number 3. Sell your unwanted stuff at home. Number 4. Lease your storage space. Number 5. Rent out your car. Number 6. P2P lending. Number 7. Freelancing. Number 8. Question marketplaces. Number 9. Website user testing. Number 10. Online surveys. Number 11. Online tutor. Number 12. Online juror. Number 13. Start a blog. Number 14. Start a podcast. And lastly, number 15. Create a YouTube channel. There are lots of opportunities to make money from home. You just need to be dedicated to learn and put in an effort. Again, here's a reminder from your friends here at Money Mastery. We're rooting for you. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Let's all prosper together.